I've settled in really quickly, made some new friends. Just generally enjoying the college life.
What do you feel about the course you're doing?
The course is it's quite interesting. Variety of different units with multimedia, products, app development, just them sort of things really. Joe, what do you think of college life?
I think it's really good. The course is brilliant. The college itself is really good. It's not very close to where I live, but it's worth the walk every day because I'm enjoying what I'm doing.
In your own words, how would you say you're finding the course you're doing?
Relatively easy at times, but sometimes it's quite challenging. I'm enjoying it because I'm learning new things every day. It's a very good course I'm doing, and yeah, I'm enjoying every bit of it.
What is the course you're doing?
Level 2 IT.
Have you? Is there any opportunities you can do extracurricular activities around the college?
Yeah, after school on Wednesday there is loads of different activities going on. So lots of people get involved in that. It's really good, and something to loads of what to do.
How do you feel with the lecturers? Do you think they teach you enough?
Yeah, the lecturers are good. They teach the right stuff. They teach enough. They're strict on late, which is good because otherwise lots of people just won't turn up or just will be late all the time. Yeah, they teach right stuff and make the course a lot more enjoyable.
What do you think the difference is from this college and school?
School is more like you're taught. You feel like you're in prison. I'm not joking. There you get a lot more freedom. It's a lot better. Yeah, I'm enjoying it.
Thanks, Joe.
No problem.
Okay.